Welcome to XML Gold. In the video, we'll explain how to exchange perfect money USD to Tether TRC20. Let's begin. Once you're on the XML Gold site, the first step is to select the method by which you'll pay. For example, I'll choose perfect money USD from EI currency. Then, enter an amount. Next, select the payment method through which you want to receive your funds. For instance, I'll choose USDT TRC20 from the cryptocurrency options. The buying or receiving amount will be automatically displayed. Now click on the exchange button. You'll see the current currency rate, XML Gold fee, and the indicated USDT fee. Then provide your email and enter your TRC20 network address. Agree to the terms and conditions, and if you're not a USA resident, check the box. Once all is done, click on Continue. Now continue with Perfect Money account. Click on Make Payment. Here, provide your credentials of Perfect Money account and proceed. Once all done, now on the last stage, confirm your payment and then click Confirm. That's it for this tutorial. You learned successfully how to exchange perfect money USD to Tether TRC20. Thank you for choosing XML Gold.